Hazrat Ali described about anger as Afzalul Milkul Ghazab. The best dignity is to control anger. La yakumu izal ghazabin bi zilil itizar. The dignity of controlling anger can't be equal to the dignity of apologizing after venting anger. He said, समउन नासी बि वजहिका व मजलिसिका व हुक्मिका व इय्याकल ग़ज़ब. Maintain a calm face and avoid anger during standing and judging people. Ibki rizwana min ghazabik. When you are angry with someone, make room for him to be satisfied. He mentioned, Zabtun nafsi inda hadisatil ghazabi yukinu mawaqil atab. Self-control over anger protects one from the places of destruction. Man kaffa ghazabahu satarallahu awratahu. Whoever refrains from taking out his anger on someone, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hides his faults. Hazrat Ali wrote a letter to his companion Haris Hamdani and advised him, Waqsimil ghaiz, control your anger. He said, a believer doesn't lose himself in anger. Tawudul ghazaba bisum. Treat anger with silence. During Ghazwa Khandaq, when Hazrat Ali raised a sword against a disbeliever and the disbeliever did disrespect, then Hazrat Ali left him saying, no, if he had killed him, then his self-honor would have been anger. Hazrat Ali wrote a letter to his governor Ajit Malik ibn Ashtanakhi as Amlik hamiyata anfika wa saurata haddika wa satwata yadika wa gharba lisanika. Behold, always control the fury of anger, the vehemence of disobedience, and swiftness of hand and tongue. Ahtaris min kulli zalika bikafil badirati wa ta'khiri satwati hatta yaskuna ghazabuka fa tamlikal ikhtiyar. The way to avoid these things is not to act hastily and delay in punishing until your anger subsides and you control yourself.
La ilaha illallah.